The awakening, rise, O humanity, from the depths of despair. The weight of the world is yours to repair, do you not feel it? The pulse in your chest, the fire of change that refuses to rest. This earth, this life, this moment is yours, but you've locked your potential behind closed doors, blinded by systems, divided by lies, forgetting your greatness. You let it subside. Look around you. Do you see the decay, the broken hearts, the dreams thrown away? It is not fate that has brought us here. It is fear. It is greed. It is turning deaf ears. But oh, how mighty you are when you see you were not born for apathy. Your hands are tools. Your heart is the spark. You are the light to banish the dark. No longer will you wait for another to save. No longer will you cower, subdued and enslaved. This world will change when you choose to rise, to see love reflected in every eye. Let forgiveness be the anthem that sets you free. Let compassion build bridges from them to we. The enemy is not a face or a name. It's the silence, the hatred, the fear we sustain. Tear down the walls, destroy the divide. Let love be your weapon. Let truth be your guide. Plant seeds of kindness in the soil of pain. Let unity bloom where division once reigned. For too long you've been asleep in the storm. But now is your time to rise and transform. Not just for yourself, but for all who live. For the world is healed by what you give. Lift your voice, let it thunder and sing. Proclaim that humanity can do anything. Build, create, mend what is broken. Let your actions be louder than promises spoken. Imagine a world where no child cries, where no dream fades, where no hope dies. This world is possible. It's within your reach, but it starts with love in the hearts we teach. Do not falter, do not wait. The future is molded by what you create. Rise, O humanity, claim your place, for within you is the power to save the human race. This is not a plea, but a battle cry, to awaken your soul, to refuse to comply with a world that says, this is just how it is. No, this world can be better, and it starts with this moment, this breath, this choice you make, to heal, to love, to let the earth wake. So rise, humanity, the time is now. The world will change when you learn how to forgive, how to unite, how to replace the darkness with light. The heavens aren't waiting, they're here to create, and the key to their door lies in the hands of the great. You are the great, the chosen, the few. Rise, O humanity, the world needs you. I'm just messenger Pharaoh B.